Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic we are going to learn about the flash fill, how this flash fill work on text, date and numbers. Also we will see the topic column from example on text, date and extracting text data. So let's jump on to the data first, column from example, and again this is going to be a very short data so that my main motive is to understand the concept, and once you understand you can use these techniques on bigger data as well. So I hope you can see my Excel spreadsheet. So these are the names, some famous name of Bollywood actors and actresses, and suppose for a hypothetical situation these people join an XYZ company. So I will write it as some company name like XYZ. Okay, so these are the name of the employees and they joined some XYZ company. And first I will introduce you about the flash fill function, name as flash fill. It is very useful function. I will teach you flash fill function with the help of Excel spreadsheet. For example, let's suppose I want to know I want to extract only first name. As you can see, the name of the employee in XYZ company is Ranveer Singh. I just wanted to know, or my boss is asking to extract the details of first name of the employees. So I just need to type Ranveer, and then what I will do, I will use flash fill. So I will go here, not here, this is the second one, fill, and I will do flash fill. So you can see, moment I press flash fill, all the names, especially the first name, is extracted from the column A, and it is just like a magic that you got all the data having a first name. Similarly, if I want the last name, I'll just need to write Singh, and again I will go where, here, the flash fill, and I'll write it as, I'll just click it on and flash fill. See, last name also I extracted. So flash fill is very helpful function. In previous video we learned about how to split column and how to merge column, but without using splitting or without using any merging, I can able to extract the details. So not only this, again I will insert one more column. Now what if my boss wants these details in capital letters? Okay, let me delete this column first, or let me cut paste somewhere else, like I'll keep this column here. Okay, so for let's take an example. I want all the names in capital letters, like in this way. Okay, like Ranveer, I want this. I just need to type first one and rest will come using the flash fill. So all the first name comes with the with every sentence as a capital letter. Similarly, if I want last name, for example Singh, here is Singh, and again I will press flash fill. See, like everything with capital words. Not only capital words, I want in small letters, so I can easily write it as, oh sorry, see, everything is in small letters. Similarly, last name also, I will use flash fill. So this is very basic technique, and I am very sure that it can replace a lot of functions, a lot of formulas. For example, if I want everything in uppercase in basic Excel, what I will do is equal to upper, then I need to select this particular function. I'm sorry, I forgot to apply bracket. Then I need to select this, then it will come as in this way, and then I need to drag. So the formula is applied to each and every row. However, with the help of flash fill, I do not need to remember any formula. With the help of flash fill function, I can able to find out the details and extract the data. So I will delete all these. It is just for an example. It is just an introduction, and also the shortcut key is Control plus E. You can use Control E. Shortcut key for flash fill is Control E. You can remember these. Maybe the spelling of control is not correct, but I know this shortcut, so using the keyboard also you can use, and this is one of the lengthy way just to remember. If you forget Control E, you can remember this particular function, and just you need to write it as just you need to click on flash fill, and even when I hover my mouse on flash fill, it is showing shortcut as Control plus E. So over there also you can able to see. So now let's move on to Power BI and how we can use the Control E function or flash fill function in Power BI. Before that, I will show you some basic examples, like what data contains. It contains some text functions, then it has some again text function along with date function and some address related function. So in today's topic we are going to learn flash fill and column from example. So I have closed this, and then okay, this is the topic. I have introduced you about the flash fill on text, date and numbers. Now what is my task is to extract the data. Since I am working on Excel spreadsheet, I will definitely get data from Excel workbook. So it will take a few minutes. So in Power BI is like very much related to Microsoft Excel, and it is, I can say, in Microsoft Excel it has a lot of similarities. The only thing is the user interface is a bit different. Okay, the data is taking some time, and let me refresh. Okay, so now we have the same data where it is order ID or customer. For example, I am using or I have some online shop in Amazon or Flipkart, and these are the customers. So I want to extract the basic details. Again, what I will use is Control E, or I can go to the add column, and then here is one option which is called as column from example. Column from example, again you can see you can use Control plus E also. Okay, so I will use Control plus E, and a new column is created here. So I will do the same exercise what I have done, what I have shown you previously in Excel spreadsheet. For example, I want name in capital letter. See, all the names in capital letters. If you like your data in this way, then you can press OK, else you can cancel if you do not want. it is showing as control plus enter. You can have column from examples. So I will cancel again. Again I will press control E. I want sing. Then see, you have all the data which is related to last name Dutt, Bhatt, Shah, Deol, Khan. In this way you have the data. Similarly, what if I want some details or some data from column A, that is order ID? So I will press control E. Then what if I want 2018 hyphen 152156? I just want this order, I just want this data. So see, like again it is giving me all the data which contains 2016, then 2018, 2017, some number. If I press OK, then it will create a new column, and see, it is showing as text after delimiter. So it has the power to replace many functions, not only in Excel, even in Power BI. So control E is one of the useful function where you can save your time and increase your efficiency and productivity. Now we can move on to the example number 2. Okay, there are some courses and some category, and there are some subcategory. What if I am working as a data analyst in some company and they want some combination of data, like for example, if I'll press control E and my manager is saying that we want the data in this way, like this, not underscore, sorry, hyphen, and in this way. Okay, now it is not showing all the data. So now I need to teach, I need to give some specific pattern so that it will consider below. Now it is taking. So it is not always that control E always work like once you press control E and all the data will come up. Sometimes I need to teach, I need to provide the basic intelligence to the machine that what I want. So in this way, for example, my manager is asking the category and subcategory to be merged in this way. So I have provided the first 3 letters, then hyphen, and the first 3 letters of subcategory. So in this way, I have provided the data to my manager. Suppose my manager was saying like I misunderstood, and he or she wants the data somewhat in this way, like MAC, subcategory first, then category after. Then again I need to teach CLO hyphen TEX. So now see, I have provided the data in this way. So within few seconds, within few amount of time, I have provided the data, and also it is kind of a merging the 2 columns and extracting the data from that 2 columns. Now we will move ahead to the another example, like if I'll use control E and I want to extract the year from the order date. So I will write 2025, and see, now all the years are coming: 2025, 2025, 2022, 2025, 2024, 2023. If I'll press OK, I have the year. So no need to remember the formula or directly look for the functions. I can use control E function also. What if I want to change the date format? For example, in order date it is showing as 11/8/2025, which is MMDDYY format. What if I want the date in the format of DDMMYY? So what I'll do, I will teach my machine that I want the data in this format. Maybe it will not take at first time. Next time I need to teach again. Now the machine knows what I want, my software knows in what pattern I want the data, and it has provided me the data in this way. So I can work in a very similar way. For example, what if I want to know the only month, since the order date data for date format is in MMDDYY. I just want to know the month. I just type 11 and I got it, and it is showing as month 11 11 6 6 6. Now we will move on to the next example, and it is a data. It is kind of a textual data. You can assume it as some numbers and kind of a address, street address, and some famous people are staying on these areas. So what if I want to know the only the city name? For example, you can see London, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. These are some famous cities. I just need the data of these cities. So what I will use, I will press Ctrl E. A new column is created. I will write London as a city name. Then Chennai. Now see, I have all the data with cities. London, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. These are very famous cities in the world. What if I want some text? For example, I just need the names. For example, Virat is there. I can see Virat is there, then Ranbir, then Rajkumar, Ritik. So I have the data. So now you can see the text between the delimiters, the text before delimiters. See, it has a very powerful I can say the tool and the technique is really powerful. It is providing all the data, whether the text is between the delimiter, text is before the delimiter, or maybe the text is after the delimiter. You can see, for example, I want the number data only, like 711. See, now it is showing in this way, but I will teach again that I need only numbers, not the other data. So I extract the numbers. So again, it is text between delimiters. So in this way, I can extract the data using the flash fill. I can able to use these function, which is very helpful, and I now I know that I can replace many of the function with the help of flash fill or column from example tool. So I hope you like this video, and I am also attaching this data in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.